Convenient location, beauty and comfort define this house. Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2 masters, 3.5 bath, new construction within 5 minutes to downtown. Amazing modern look and incredibly comfortable layout with an open floor plan, spacious great room, dining area, inviting gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, 42 inches tall cabinets, quartz countertops, and a convenient breakfast bar. Enjoy the functionality of double masters, one on the main and one upstairs. Ensuite tiled bathrooms will put you in awe. Downstairs one boasts jacuzzi, double vanity, separate walk-in shower and a large walk-in closet. Upstairs master has a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and double vanity. Each room is very spacious and has a walk-in closet with plenty of storage ability. Huge backyard, privacy fence, double car driveway. Comfortable living close to major shopping, restaurants, hospitals, minutes from Truman, downtown, 25 minutes to Tybee Beach. One member of LLC acting as seller is a GA licensee.